Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a route in Google Maps. Google Maps allows you to easily plot routes for driving, walking or biking. Whether you're planning a trip, setting up directions for others or simply exploring an area, drawing routes on Google Maps helps you visualize the best paths. And here's how you can draw a route on Google Maps. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps, through the process step by step. The first step is to open Google Maps. And to do that, just go to maps.google.com and make sure you're signed in with your Google account. The second step is to get directions. Now in the search bar, enter your starting location and the destination. For example, I'm just gonna choose a destination from here, or we can choose this one right here, and I'm gonna click on directions to generate the route. I'm gonna choose my location here. Or we're gonna choose another location. As you can see, this is the route right here. Now the third step is to modify the route. Once the route appears, you can drag the route line to change the path. You can add multiple stops by clicking on the plus next to the starting and add destination points. As you can see here, you can drag the blue line to modify the route. You can also click on the plus to add a stop point. The fourth step is to view and share the route. Now after adjusting, you can view the route on the map and click share to send the route link to others. For additional tips, you can switch to Street View. For example, this is the one right here. Go to Street View. And also you can use satellite view as I am using right now. And you can also save the route by clicking here, going to the destination. For example, this is the one, and you can save it here. You can add it to your favorite list, want to go list, travel plans, etc. Drawing routes in Google Maps is a quick and easy way to visualize and customize your path for trips, meetings, or events. Whether you're planning your next adventure or sharing directions with others, Google Maps route feature helps you navigate efficiently. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.